Hey everyone, Kristen here with Luxe Fifth Wheels. I am in our 47 FB and I just wanted to take a moment here and point out the buffet table. We always have it stored here, how it doesn't have the two additional leaves in, so I wanted you to be able to see what it actually looks like with the two leaves in the solid surface here, so that you can put the two additional seats at the end of the table here if you would like. It is very easy to take this down and store underneath your bed when you're not using it to seat 4 people. There is a button underneath the table here that you are just going to push and then pull slightly. You have grooves on the solid surface, maybe. There are little teeth that you will fit into the grooves on each one of the leaves here so that you can fit it onto the table. Set this on here. And then if you want just the one leaf, you can do so. And then again, you will pull it off. Push that button in again to push in the table. And that is how the buffet table normally comes. And then you are going to take your two leaves when you're not using them, come up here to the bedroom, and they will stow right underneath your bed. And that's all there is to it. Thanks.